When are we going to start this episode? Whenever Break Carbuna Productions starts the intro, which is... When my face is everywhere. Ample pot can day or night, people spout naughty neighbor. Okay, you see, last episode we were talking about this. Me and Percy are Stan and Kyle. Okay, I'm sorry, I got it. Okay, so remember last episode how I said that 4 engines have to be in the intro? Yeah, well, basically, me and Percy are Stan and Kyle. Bruno is Cartman, and Diesel is Kenny. So there has to be 4 rules, and if one of us 4 are dead, missing, or can't be in an episode, bam, someone replaces them. Who? Whoever's available. Like, it could be Gordon, it could be you, it could be James, Sandy, Connor, Thomas, the tank engine, Carly, Nia, James, Emily, Hero, Kenji, Riff, Jiff, Rona, Freddy, Rico, Timothy, Whiff, Sonic. It could be anybody. Okay. So yeah, there's that intro every time. Well, actually, the creator just came up with it a couple seasons ago, but still, it's great. It wastes more time in the video, so it can be a bit longer. Oh, that's good. That is really, really good to know. Did you just cough? No, I didn't cough. Who did? That is a tough question. I think that it's Diesel. What? I didn't cough. You know what my coughs sound like? Actually, I've never heard them. Oh. Yeah, he's not lying. Oh. And you guys know what my coughs sound like. What did the cough sound like, even? It sounded like... I cough like... It's you. It is? It's Percy? Yeah, of course it's Percy. He coughs similarly to that. He does? Yeah. You said that the cough was like... and he coughed like... So basically, if we compare the two, then Percy would be the culprit. Oh. Actually, that does make sense. Yeah, so Percy's the culprit of the cough. What? No, I'm not. We haven't even heard Bruno or Thomas's cough yet. Or even Young Bow's. All right. Okay, so it's not either of us. What about you, Bruno? I don't really have a cough. Okay, so yeah, Percy is the culprit of the cough. Okay, well that's settled. Okay, so when is the episode ending? We really gotta go to our sheds. It is ending in 25 seconds. Oh, then we better get to our sheds now. Come on, gang.